Good day everyone, my name is Benedict Itonga, BSC3A, here to demonstrate how to set up and program your Arduino Uno R3. Now let's get right to the video. First, we have to download the necessary drivers and installers for our Arduino. The first thing we have to download is its IDE software or its coding application. Here we have the Arduino IDE 1.8.13. At the making of this video, this is the current version of the Arduino IDE. I'm gonna leave the link on the description box below if you want to download it yourself. And since I've already downloaded it, the only thing I have to do is install it. Now let's install this thing. Double click the installer. Wait for it to load. It's gonna ask for permission and you're gonna have to say yes. Click yes. Yes. Okay, yes. If you want, you can read all of this license, but I always do is just click I agree. I'm not that studious enough. Then click next. Then click install. While installing this, you just have to wait for the blue bar to reach the finish line. Now, while this is installing, we'll minimize it. We will search for the USB driver, which is the CH340 driver. As you can see, I've already searched for it many times. Wait for it to load. And here we go. This is the CH340 driver for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Now, I'm also gonna leave the link for this driver in the description box below. If you want to install this driver, or if you don't have already this driver, you can install this by clicking this link here. And since I've already installed it, downloaded it. I've already downloaded it. All I have to do is install it in my laptop. This is the driver. And as you can see, it's still installing the IDE software. While we wait for this, I'm gonna show you how to connect your hardware or your Arduino Uno R3 board to your laptop. And here, this is our hardware. This is our Arduino Uno R3. This is a clone board, which is much cheaper than the original one. And this is the USB cable, the CH340G USB cable. First, we have to input the USB type B side of the USB cable into our board. We're gonna hear a little click. There we go. That means it's secured. Then this is the USB type A part of the CH340G USB cable. This one goes to the port of your laptop. USB port here. And as you see, it lit up. It means it's connected. And if you heard my laptop, it means it really is connected. Now we're gonna go back to my laptop screen to see if the IDE software is already installed, and we're gonna proceed to install the CH340 driver. And we're back to my laptop. As you can see, the Arduino setup is completed. We'll have to close this. Let's go to my window, and this is it, the IDE software. We're gonna open this later, but first we have to install our driver. We have to click on this installer, double click it. Have to wait for it to load. Yes. Can ask for permission, of course, gonna click yes. And then click this install button. It's not gonna take a while like the Arduino IDE software. Just have to wait for a few minutes. And there we go, driver install success. Okay, to recall this, make sure it is really installed. You just have to go to this PC, right click on it, click manage, and wait for it to load. You're gonna take you to the control panel and click on this device manager and click on ports. As you can see, my Arduino Uno board is connected to the USB serial 3C3 the C340G COM7. I'm sorry, I'm blabbering. The Arduino board is connected on the COM7, which means the driver is already installed. Now let's close this and open the IDE software. It's gonna take a while to load because my laptop has so many junk. I don't know why I don't delete it. Maybe I'm sentimental. I don't know. It's gonna take a little while. I'm gonna have to wait for it a little bit. It's starting. And there we go. We have to maximize this. And as you can see, this IDE software is using C++ coding language, which means it's a high-level language. And here we go. Now that we've installed the drivers and the IDE software of the Arduino, we have to make sure that we are using the correct board. And yes, we are using the Arduino Uno. You have to make sure that the board is Arduino Uno because there are so many Arduino board, like the Arduino Mega, Arduino Nano. And of course, we have to make sure that the port it's connected to is COM7. Remember that it is connected to port COM7 as we see again here. If you're not sure, you just have to click Manage, go to the Device Manager, go to Ports, and find the CH340 serial. Here we go. It says it is on COM7. Look to Tools, Port, yes, it is on COM7. Now, after we've make sure that we are using the Arduino Uno board and we are using the COM7 port, now we're gonna run a simple blink program. It's already in the examples. You have just to go to File, Examples, then click on the Basics, and as you can see, here is the blink program. Click on it, and there we go. The instructions is blink. Turns an LED on for 1 second, then off for 1 second repeatedly. As you can see, this is the program. You may be wondering why it is 1000 because it is in milliseconds. So 1000 milliseconds is what we call 1 second. We're gonna adjust this program and set the delay to 250 milliseconds on. And 100 milliseconds off. I just have to verify. It will compile the sketch. You just have to wait for it. After it's compiled, we're gonna see if there is a mistake we've made in the program. I'm sure we didn't because we just edited it, the example program. As we can see, it says that there is no problem. Now we just have to import it to the board. Upload. And it's uploading. We're gonna show you the board. I'm gonna show you the board and you'll see how the LED is blinking. As you can see, now that we've finished editing the basic blink program and uploading it to the Arduino board, you can see the little LED there. It's blinking. The on is delayed for 250 milliseconds and the off is delayed for 100 milliseconds. So On, off, on, off, on, off. As you can see, the light here suggests that it's on. It has the, if you can see here, it has the name on it, and this one has the name L, which is the LED. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial video on how to set up and program an Arduino Uno R3 board. Once again, I'm Benedict Tonga, BSEC 3A, and goodbye.